Hello friends, welcome back to our brand identity design course. In this video, we will learn how to use Figjam in Figma. And by the end of this video, you will be able to brainstorm effectively in Figma using Figjam. You will be able to understand how Figma can help design mood boards, brand persona, visual concept, and brand architecture. You will also be able to collaborate with clients and teams in real time using Figjam. But before that, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. Figjam is a collective online whiteboard tool created by Figma that facilitates brainstorming, planning and collaboration in real time. It is particularly effective for teamwork on creative and strategy projects such as brand identity design. Brand identity design is deeply collaborative and requires client, strategic, and designer input. Figjam bridges the gap between ideation and execution by providing a space to visualize and refine ideas collectively. It is collaborative in nature and ensures that everyone is involved has a voice, creating a strong and more aligned brand identity design. To start, log into your Figma account on the home page. Click the drop down next to the new file and select Figjam file. This will open a blank canvas where all the magic happens. Now let us get familiar with the interface. At the bottom you will see tools for sticky notes, text, shapes, connectors and more. These are your go-to tools for brainstorming and organizing ideas. You can also use shapes and connectors to create diagrams or flowcharts, which are helpful for brand architecture. Figjam lets you drag and drop images directly into the canvas. This is perfect for building mood boards or referencing existing brand elements. Now let us bring in team. Click the share button in the top corner to invite collaborators. You can send invitations via email or share the link with them. Make sure to adjust permissions so collaborators can view or edit the file. Now, how to brainstorm effectively in Figjam. The first thing you need to do is to organize your canvas. Create a dedicated space for your brainstorming section. I like to use labels or frame to keep everything neatly. Now, I have set up sections for the brand attributes, target audience, and visual ideas here. These keep our thought focused and organized. Sticky notes are your best friend during brainstorming. Use them to jot down every idea you have. Don't filter or judge them yet. Remember, the goal is to generate as many ideas as possible. For example, in the brand attribute section, I'm writing down traits like authentic, bold, eco-friendly. This can help define the brand's personality. You can also invite your team to add their thoughts. That's if you are working with a team. Real-time collaborations let everyone contribute and you will be amazed as the diverse ideas that you are going to get. Once you get a lot of ideas, start grouping similar ideas together into a group to give them meaning and make it easier to refer back to them later. Take it a step further by visualizing connections between ideas using shapes and connectors to create mind map or flowchart. This can help you explore relationship and expand on the initial thought. That's how you can brainstorm effectively using Figjam in Figma. Now for mood boards, for brand personas, for visual concept and brand architecture. The process is similar, and the first thing is to understand the concept and ensure you have the right content and material, such as the right image or the content to use for each section. Start by creating a dedicated area for your mood boards, brand personas, visual concept and brand architecture. Then label it clearly. The next thing is to gather inspiration, content, logo colors, palette, texture, typography or any other thing that you might want to need. Then drag and drop them into the canvas. Figjam supports images so you can quickly build a visual collage. After doing that, what you should do after that is to organize it by themes or by aesthetics, depending on how you want to work. You can also collaborate with your team or client by inviting them to leave the comments and reactions. Then this will help you to refine the ideas and ensure you align with your brand vision. If you find this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more videos like this. See you in